Ready to take your digital art to the next level? From affordable beginner tablets to professional pen displays, these are some of the best drawing tablets you can buy in 2026. Let's find the perfect one for your creative setup. Starting at number 1. Wacom Tablet. The Wacom Tablet is an all-in-one device designed for animation, drawing, and writing, featuring an 11.45-inch screen, 8 GB of memory, and 128 GB of storage. It operates on Android 14 and connects via Bluetooth. This tablet boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring precise control for artists. It comes with a battery-free Pro Pen 3 that is slim and easy to handle, allowing users to instantly launch the Wacom Canvas app by tapping and holding the pen on the screen, making it feel like opening a sketchbook. The tablet's bright display is complemented by a matte-etched glass surface that mimics the texture of paper, reducing glare and fingerprints for an uninterrupted creative experience. Weighing just 1.3 pounds, it is lightweight and portable, easily fitting into bags or backpacks, and supports popular digital pens. Additionally, it includes 2 years of Clip Studio Paint debut and trials for other creative applications such as Ibis Paint, Magma Blaze, and Artwood training, making it a versatile tool for artists on the go. Number 2. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a professional-grade drawing tablet designed for animation, designing, and drawing. It features advanced Pro Pen 3 technology, offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and lag-free tracking for smooth and precise strokes. Users can customize their experience with 10 express keys and 2 mechanical dials for enhanced productivity, conveniently placed for easy access. The tablet's versatile 16:9 format is ideal for modern monitors, providing a large active area while maintaining a compact footprint of 11.4 by 8.1 inches, 291 by 206 millimeters. With a sleek design measuring just 4 millimeters at its thinnest point and constructed from durable magnesium, it combines the feel of pen on paper with robust portability, making it suitable for both office use and creative work on the go. Additionally, it offers wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or USB options, allowing seamless switching between multiple computers. Compatible with Windows 10 or later and macOS 13 or later, the Wacom Intuos Pro is built to meet the needs of modern creatives. Number 3. XP-Pen Artist Pro 16. The XP-Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is a versatile drawing tablet designed for 3D modeling, drawing, and editing, featuring HDMI connectivity and an impressive 16K pressure sensitivity with 16,384 levels, making it a standout choice for artists seeking precision and detail. This device requires a connection to a computer or laptop, with a 3-in-1 cable included for convenience. The tablet boasts a 2.5K QHD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, utilizing full laminated technology and anti-glare etched glass to minimize parallax errors and enhance visual clarity. TVSD certification ensures eye comfort by reducing harmful blue light emissions while maintaining excellent color accuracy, with 99% sRGB color gamut coverage and a high color accuracy rating of E less than 2.2. Additional features include a built-in foldable stand for ergonomic positioning, a wireless shortcut remote for easy access to functions, and an X-Edge wrist rest to alleviate fatigue during prolonged use. The Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is compatible with various operating systems including Windows 7 and later, macOS 10.10 and later, as well as Android and Linux, supporting popular digital art software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Blender 3D, thus expanding the creative possibilities for users. Number 4. Huion Kamvas 22. The Huion Kamvas 22, Gen 3, is a pen display tablet designed for artists and creators, requiring connection to a computer or laptop to function. It features advanced connectivity options including HDMI and USB, and operates on various systems such as Android, with specific USB and DisplayPort requirements, Windows 10 and above, and macOS 10.12 and above. This device boasts an impressive 2.5K QHD resolution with a 90 Hz refresh rate, providing a significant upgrade in clarity and responsiveness compared to its predecessors. The large 21.5-inch screen offers a remarkable 250% resolution boost, enhancing detail visibility, while the 90 Hz refresh rate increases line display speed by 50% over standard tablets. The PenTech 4.0 stylus allows for precise drawing with 16,384 pressure sensitivity levels and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, ensuring accuracy in every stroke. Additionally, the tablet is factory calibrated for color accuracy with E1.2, supporting 5 professional color modes for various projects, including options for web, print, and monochrome work. Customizable side keys on the stylus further enhance the user experience, streamlining workflows in animation and design. Number 5. XP-Pen Magic Drawing Pad. The XP-Pen Magic Drawing Pad is a cutting-edge standalone drawing tablet that features an impressive 16K pressure-sensitive stylus, offering 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity for unparalleled precision in digital art creation. With a 12.2-inch AG-etched screen boasting a resolution of 2160 by 1440 and a 3:2 aspect ratio, it provides a natural pen-on-screen experience that mimics traditional drawing, enhanced by a wide color gamut of 115% sRGB and 16.77 million colors. Designed with user comfort in mind, the tablet is TV Rainland certified to reduce eye strain, even during extended use. Operating on Android 14, it allows users to download various applications from Google Play and includes a complimentary 3-month membership to Clip Studio Paint and Ibis Paint X upon activation. The tablet is equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD, along with both a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera for capturing moments. Found the right drawing tablet? All product buying links are in the video description. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top tech picks.